Now, here, this is a continuation of the topic, Chapter 3 Applied History. World Cultural Heritage Sites in India, especially in Maharashtra, are Ajanta Caves, Verul, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai, and so on. Here is the image of Kailasa Temple, Verul. It is the largest Indian rock-cut ancient Hindu temple located in the Ellora cave. This famous rock-cut Shiva temple was constructed during the reign of Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. It is regarded as a marvel of architecture. It bears an eloquent testimony to the high-level skill attained by India in the arts of sculpture and architecture under the Rashtrakuta patronage. A sculpture of an elephant and a pillar can be seen in the picture. The famous rock-cut temple in Maharashtra was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1983. Now next, affiliated professional fields. Knowledge of history can be supportive in the decision making with regard to respective legal provisions and public policies in the following fields, like museums and archives, preservation and conservation of historical sites, tourism and hospitality, entertainment and mass media. Here we can see the image of clay tablets. The earliest museum, that is in 6th century BCE, in the world was discovered during the excavations at the city of Ur in Mesopotamia. The excavations were conducted by Sir Leonard Woolley. This museum was built by the Princess of Mesopotamia. Her name was Enigaldi. She herself was the creator of the museum. A noteworthy feature of that museum is the clay tablets inscribed with the descriptions of exhibited artifacts. Now here we can see the image of Indian Museum, Kolkata. The Indian Museum at Kolkata was founded by the Asiatic Society in 1814 CE. Nathaniel Wallich, a Danish botanist, was the founder and the first curator of the museum. The photograph of the museum seen here is dated to 1905. The museum has three main departments: arts, archaeology, and anthropology. Other affiliated departments are conservation, publication, photography, exhibition, presentation, model making, training, library, and security. Archives with a distinct purpose. The main office of the National Film Archives of India is located in Pune, Maharashtra. It was established in 1964 as the media unit of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of the Indian government. It served three objectives: to search and obtain rare Indian films and to preserve the heritage for the benefit of future generations, to categorize the important aspects of films, to create documentation and catalogs, and carry out research in the field, to establish a center for dissemination of films culture. It is essential to avoid vandalizing of historic and public places and to ensure that they are preserved for the benefit of future generations.